Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize pre-made templates in VistaCreate. Customizing pre-made templates in VistaCreate is a quick way to create professional designs while adding your personal touch. Here's how you can do it. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Make sure to sign in to your account. Now, from the dashboard, search for the type of design you need. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your design. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Here you can find various of the pre-made templates. Go to Templates tab and simply select which one you like. Here, you can click on any text box in the template to edit the content. Change the wording to match your message. You can change the size, color or alignment. Drag this little circle and you can adjust its size. You can also change its color. Click on the A icon here and choose the color you like. You can click on this text tab here on the left hand menu to add additional headlines, subheadlines or body text. You can also choose the font from here. Click on the image of the template to replace it on your own. Simply click on it and delete it. Now go to Uploads tab and upload it from your local device. It will appear here. Now click on it to add it to your canvas. Adjust it to your liking. You can also add or edit design elements. VistaCreate offers icon shape, stickers and illustrator that you can add to design. Click on the Object tab here, then drag and drop the elements into your canvas. You can change the color scheme to match a brand or theme. Click on the background here and you can change the background from this tab. You can also add the video in your background, or you can find solid colors here. Ensure that all elements are properly aligned in your design. You can drag items into place. Once you are happy with your final design, click on Export button in the top navigation bar. Then click on Download As and select the format. Or you can also use share option to post directly to social media or send via a link. So that is how you can customize pre-made templates in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.